Top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps in seniors. Stronger, healthier muscles. Tired of waking up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps or struggling with muscle stiffness that makes moving around a challenge? Good news, the right foods can relax your muscles, improve circulation, and stop cramps before they start. In today's video, we're revealing the top 3 superfoods that help seniors stay cramp-free, keep muscles strong, and maintain better mobility. So, stick around because you don't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from Health 365. First, let's talk about eggs. Among the many nutrient-rich foods that support muscle health, eggs stand out as a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. But how exactly do eggs help with leg cramps in older adults? Let us engage in exploration together. Muscle fatigue is a leading cause of cramps, and protein is essential for muscle repair and maintenance. Seniors often experience age-related muscle loss sarcopenia, which increases susceptibility to cramp ramps and weakness. Eggs are a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. A single large egg provides 6 g of high-quality protein, which helps rebuild muscle fibers and reduce muscle fatigue. Enhance muscle contraction efficiency, reducing cramp frequency. Including eggs in the diet supports muscle strength and endurance, lowering the likelihood of painful cramps. How does the vitamin D in eggs support calcium absorption and muscle function? Vitamin D is critical for calcium absorption and muscle contraction. Without enough vitamin D, muscle weakness, cramps, and even chronic pain can develop. Research shows that seniors with vitamin D deficiency experience more frequent and severe leg cramps. Egg yolks naturally contain vitamin D, which supports bone and muscle health. While exposure to sunlight is the best way to produce vitamin D, many older adults spend less time outdoors, making dietary sources crucial. Eating eggs can help seniors maintain optimal vitamin D levels, reducing cramp risk. Can eating eggs regularly help prevent vitamin D deficiency-related muscle cramps? Yes, but diet alone may not be enough. One egg contains about 40 IU of vitamin D, while the daily recommended intake for seniors is 800 to 100,000 IU. To maximize vitamin D intake, seniors can pair eggs with fortified dairy products, milk, yogurt, or fatty fish, salmon, sardines. Consider a vitamin D supplement if levels are low. Spend time outdoors for natural vitamin D synthesis. While eggs contribute to vitamin D intake, combining them with other sources ensures better muscle and bone health, reducing cramp episodes. Vitamin B12 plays a direct role in nerve function. When levels are low, nerve signals become impaired, leading to muscle spasms, tingling, and cramping. Eggs help protect nerve health by providing B12 and choline, which work together to support nerve insulation. Myelin sheath protection improves communication between muscles and nerves, ensuring smooth contraction and relaxation. Prevent neuropathy-related cramps, which are common in diabetics and seniors. Eating eggs regularly supports nerve integrity, helping reduce misfired signals that lead to muscle cramps. Are older adults more prone to muscle cramps if they have low B12 levels? And how can eggs help? Yes, seniors are more vulnerable to B12 deficiency due to reduced stomach acid production, which limits B12 absorption. Common medications like metformin or acid reflux drugs that deplete B12 levels. Lower intake of animal-based foods due to dietary restrictions. B12 deficiency can cause frequent muscle cramps and weakness. Nerve damage leading to burning, numb, or tingling sensations. Anemia, which reduces oxygen supply to muscles. Eggs are a senior-friendly source of B12, easily digestible, and a simple way to help prevent cramp-inducing deficiencies. While meat, fish, and dairy are excellent B12 sources, Eggs offer a lower fat alternative to red meat, better digestibility for seniors with weaker digestion, a rich combination of protein and vitamins, not just B12 for vegetarians who consume dairy, but avoid meat. Eggs are one of the best ways to maintain B12 levels. How many eggs per week should seniors consume to support muscle health without increasing cholesterol concerns? Research now confirms that moderate egg consumption, 6 to 7 eggs per week, is safe for most people and does not significantly impact cholesterol levels in healthy seniors. For those with heart conditions or high cholesterol, consulting a doctor is advised, but replacing processed meats with eggs can still be a heart-healthy choice. Can eggs help reduce nocturnal leg cramps in seniors? Yes, nocturnal leg cramps are often linked to poor muscle recovery, electrolyte imbalances, and nerve dysfunction. Since eggs provide protein, muscle repair, B12, nerve protection, vitamin D, and calcium, muscle function, including eggs in an evening meal or breakfast, can help balance nutrients and support overnight muscle recovery. Reducing nighttime cramps. Certain seniors may need to adjust their egg intake based on health conditions. Seniors with kidney disease may need to limit protein intake. Consult. Those with high cholesterol can eat egg whites instead of whole eggs. Diabetics should pair eggs with fiber, rich foods, vegetables, whole grains for better blood sugar control. For most older adults, eggs are a highly beneficial food that supports muscle, nerve, and overall health. To maximize benefits, seniors should eat eggs regularly, 6 to 7 per week. Pair eggs with other nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, dairy, and nuts. Stay hydrated and maintain balanced electrolyte intake. For seniors looking to reduce muscle cramps naturally, eggs are a simple and effective dietary addition. So, next time you prepare breakfast, consider adding an egg to the plate. It's one of the best choices for muscle health. 2. Banana. Potassium is an essential mineral for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. When potassium levels drop to low, hypokalemia, muscles become more prone to spasms and cramps. Bananas are one of the best natural sources of potassium. One medium banana contains about 420 by 12% of the recommended daily intake. By maintaining proper potassium levels, bananas help regulate muscle contractions and prevent spasms. Ensure smooth nerve communication for muscle control. Balance fluid levels, reducing dehydration-related cramps. For seniors, eating 1 to 2 bananas daily can significantly help reduce the frequency of muscle cramps. What happens when potassium levels are too low, and how does it contribute to muscle cramps? Potassium helps transmit electrical signals between nerves and muscles. When potassium levels drop, muscles become overly excitable, leading to frequent cramping. Nerve signals become disrupted, increasing the risk of involuntary muscle contractions. Cells lose their ability to balance fluids, causing muscle stiffness. Studies show that seniors are at higher risk for potassium deficiency due to reduced appetite or poor dietary intake. Medication side effects, e.g. diuretics for blood pressure, excessive sweating, or dehydration. By including bananas in the diet, seniors can naturally replenish potassium levels and support normal muscle function. Magnesium is another crucial mineral for muscle relaxation and nerve function. It helps reduce muscle excitability, preventing sudden cramps, support ATP production, providing energy for muscle contractions, regulate calcium and potassium balance, essential for proper muscle function. Each banana contains 32 magnets of magnesium, which contributes to preventing muscle tightness and spasms. Since many seniors don't get enough magnesium, eating bananas along with other magnesium-rich foods like nuts and leafy greens can help reduce muscle cramping and improve recovery. Nocturnal leg cramps. Cramps that occur at night are often linked to electrolyte imbalances, low potassium, SL magnesium, poor circulation, dehydration. Since bananas contain potassium, magnesium, and hydration-supporting carbohydrates, Eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bed may help relax muscles, reducing cramp intensity. Balance electrolytes, preventing nighttime spasms. Support sleep quality by reducing muscle tension. How does vitamin B6 in bananas contribute to nerve function and muscle recovery? Vitamin B6 is a key nutrient for nervous system health. It helps regulate neurotransmitters which control muscle movements. Reduce inflammation, helping muscles recover faster after exercise. Improve red blood cell production, ensuring muscles receive oxygen efficiently. Each banana provides 0.4 major vitamin B6, which is nearly 30% of the daily requirement for seniors. Research shows that low vitamin B6 levels can lead to increased muscle cramping and spasms due to nerve dysfunction. Higher levels of inflammation, making muscles more prone to pain and stiffness. Reduced energy production, leading to muscle fatigue. A 2018 study found that seniors with low vitamin B6 intake experience more frequent leg cramps. Since bananas provide a natural source of vitamin B6, they help prevent nerve-related muscle issues. Bananas help restore potassium and magnesium levels, reducing electrolyte-related cramps. Provide natural sugars and water, promoting hydration. Balance sodium levels, which is crucial for muscle contraction and relaxation. For seniors, staying hydrated and consuming electrolyte foods like bananas helps keep menu muscles functioning smoothly. While bananas support hydration, they should be paired with adequate water intake. If muscle cramps are due to dehydration, drinking enough water is just as important as eating bananas. For best results, drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Eat bananas with water or coconut water, which also contains electrolytes. By maintaining both fluid and electrolyte balanced, seniors can prevent dehydration-related muscle cramps. How many bananas should seniors eat per day to help prevent leg cramps? The ideal intake varies, but generally 1 banana per day provides enough potassium and magnesium to support muscle health. 2 bananas per day may benefit those who experience frequent muscle cramps. Since bananas are high in natural sugar, seniors with diabetes should consume them in moderation alongside fiber foods like nuts or whole grains to avoid blood sugar spikes. For seniors experiencing frequent muscle cramps, eating 1 banana daily, staying hydrated, and maintaining a balanced diet can significantly improve muscle function and reduce cramp frequency. 3. Nuts and seeds. While potassium and magnesium-rich foods like bananas and leafy greens are well known for preventing cramps, nuts and seeds are another powerful dietary addition that can significantly improve muscle health and prevent cramping. Packed with magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, nuts and seeds support muscle relaxation, circulation, and electrolyte balance. Let's explore how almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and other nuts can keep muscles strong and cramp-free in seniors. Many seniors don't get enough magnesium, making them more prone to frequent and painful leg cramps. Nuts and seeds are some of the best natural sources of magnesium, making them an easy way to prevent cramps. Per serving, pumpkin seeds 168 mg, 40% of daily needs. Almonds 77 to 20% of daily needs. Cashew 74 mg, 19% of daily needs. Eating a small handful of nuts daily can help restore magnesium levels and keep muscles relaxed and healthy. While bananas are often associated with potassium, many nuts and seeds also provide this important mineral. Potassium content per 10 serving pistachios, 290 mg. Almonds, 200 mg. Cashews, 160 mg. Electrolytes like magnesium and potassium are lost through sweat, so replenishing them is essential for muscle recovery and cramp prevention. Why nuts and seeds are great for restoring electrolytes high in both magnesium and potassium, supporting muscle recovery. Contain healthy fats which reduce muscle inflammation. Provide protein aiding in muscle repair. For seniors who experience cramps after physical alcohol activity, eating a handful of nuts or adding seeds to meals can help restore lost minerals and keep muscles cramp-free. Healthy fats and nuts and seeds support blood flow, ensuring that muscles receive enough oxygen and nutrients to function properly. Omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts and flax seeds reduce muscle inflammation. Monounsaturated fats found in almonds and cashews improve circulation, reducing cramp risk. Poor circulation can cause painful leg cramps, especially at night, by consuming nuts regularly. Seniors can improve blood flow and reduce cramping episodes. Can consuming nuts and seeds help reduce inflammation that contributes to muscle fatigue and cramping? Yes, chronic inflammation damages muscle tissue and makes seniors more prone to cramping and soreness. Nuts and seeds contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce oxidative stress in muscles, lower inflammation, allowing for faster muscle recovery, support long-term muscle health, preventing frequent cramps. For seniors dealing with chronic muscle pain or arthritis, adding walnuts, flax seeds, and almonds to their diet can provide natural anti-inflammatory benefits. While all nuts and seeds provide valuable nutrients, some are particularly beneficial for muscle health due to their high magnesium, potassium, and protein content. Best nuts and seeds for preventing leg cramps. Pumpkin seeds highest in magnesium, 168 mg per ounce. Almonds, great source of both magnesium and potassium. Pistachio is one of the best nuts for potassium, 290 mg per ounce. Cashews high in magnesium and healthy fats for circulation. Walnuts rich in omega-3s, which reduce muscle inflammation. For the best results, seniors should consume a variety of nuts and seeds to benefit from different muscle-supporting nutrients. How many nuts and seeds should seniors eat daily to prevent leg cramps? While nuts and seeds are highly nutritious, they are also calorie-dense, so portion control is important. We recommended intake a small handful, of nuts per day, about 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seed. Sprinkle seeds, flax seeds, chia pumpkin seeds on meals for added benefits. Best times to eat nuts and seeds for muscle health with meals helps with nutrient absorption and electrolyte balance. Before bed can reduce nighttime leg cramps by keeping muscles relaxed. After exercise helps restore lost electrolytes and aids muscle recovery. By consuming nuts in moderation, seniors can prevent cramps while maintaining a balanced diet. While nuts and seeds offer many benefits, there are a few considerations. High calorie content overeating nuts can lead to weight gain, so portion control is important. Salted or processed nuts, high sodium content in salted nuts can contribute to dehydration, increasing cramp risk. Allergies, some people may have nut allergies, so alternative sources of magnesium and potassium should be considered. Digestive issues. Nuts and seeds are fiber, which may cause bloating or discomfort in seniors with sensitive digestion. Solution. Choose unsalted raw or dry roasted nuts and eat in moderation to enjoy maximum muscle health benefits without side effects. For seniors looking to naturally reduce muscle cramps, eating a small handful of nuts or adding seeds to meals daily can be an easy and delicious way to support muscle health. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.